to play your alpha and omega on intermediate level 1. Now, in intermediate level, as a beginner, we did something like this. You are alpha and omega. We worship you, our God. You are restored. So we did that for the beginner level. But now you're no longer a beginner, you're an intermediate level player 1. What that means is that now you're using your inverted chords. And you're using the appropriate inverted chords. So instead of doing you are alpha, you're using you are alpha. Why? Because alpha is supposed to be the last note on your right hand. You see? That's the law. The melody of the song should be on the last, it should be the last note by the right. So if you do this, you are alpha. That's not alpha. It's actually mi. So you are alpha. And that's and omega. Can you see that? Now we were. That's it. Worship you, our God. That's it. God, you are worthy to be praised. That's it. Also take note of the notes I'm playing on my left hand. Yeah, something you already know. Now let's go to we give you all the glory. That's the mi chord, second inversion. But what note is being highlighted by the far right? On the far right, that's your so. So la ti do. Let me do that again. So la ti do. But we are playing the mi fa sol la chord, but it highlights the sol la ti do. Oh, go back. The glory. So we do the mi fa sol la chord. So fa mi. Now all those chords are in their second inversion on the right hand. We fa sol. You should know how to do that already. Fa, then to sol, then to la. You are re on the left hand, sol second inversion on the right hand. Worthy to be praised. So that's how to play your alpha and omega on key C as an intermediate level player 1. Now for the other levels of playing this song, the beginner and intermediate level player 2 and the advanced, check the link in the description below and you'll find out how to improve your playing of this particular song. Please subscribe, it will really help you and it will really mean a lot to me. Thanks for your time.